Alright, this is how we made $127 today on ES futures. As a 17-year-old day trader, I'm going to be walking you guys through my little trade recap. Going to go through my model, see how I executed this whole trade, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how you can do this for yourself so you can trade and make $127 too. Alright, because who doesn't want to make $127, right? Alright, so let's just get into the charts right now. Yeah, I'll show you guys the executions too. I want to be as transparent as possible. So yeah. So here's our trade here. It was a nice 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Here are my executions. But yeah, I was just simply following my model. We had a little culture day event at our school, which all the cultures from the school perform on the stage. So it was a lot happening. We also had like field day and pep rally, all this other stuff too. And to be honest, I wasn't really locked in on that. I was trying to be locked in on the charts. But I did have to trade off of my phone, so it was a little different, but we still made it work because it wasn't my first time trading off the phone. But yeah, we made it work anyways, and I want to show you guys my trade here now. So first, we're just going to hop on the daily time frame because what do we need first? Our daily bias, right? Can't go without that. So let me hop on here. Boom, boom. So ignore all these executions, and I'm going to hide these lines. But here, never mind, because you need to see the fair value gap. Okay, so we have a daily fair value gap that we made here that we kind of been like in and out of the last couple of days. But here we see that we have a retracement from this daily fair value gap, and I want to see a continuation lower from that fair value gap, and then sweep the previous firm lows and go higher. So, and that's exactly what we did today. And now we're just going to jump straight down to the 5-minute. Waste no time here. And you can see our executed trade. So what is my model to start off with? It's 3 simple steps. Again, it's usually not about the model when you're trading, but about what's in here and your mindset. If you can follow your discipline, or not let your trader psychology affect you. Don't let confirmation bias affect you. So the model, it's not really that trading itself, the concept of it, learning it. It's just the first part. It's just the bottom of the iceberg, right? Or the tip of the iceberg. But it's really about what's up here that counts. But let's stop yapping and get into it. So we want to look at our first liquidity sweep. Okay, so are we sweeping some form of liquidity, whether that be sell side or buy side, previous highs, previous lows? Like, are we sweeping? Do we have some sort of liquidity sweep? And yes, we did. I circled it up here. We did identify that we were sweeping our previously formed highs, and now I want to see us break this respected structure, which goes into our number 2. We want to see that respected structure be broken up. And you see that we broke this structure. We didn't, I'm not going to say we broke the structure, but we wicked out of this structure a couple of times, right? We came up here, wicked out of it, came out here, come up here, down here. And you're probably wondering, well, MT, why didn't you enter off those break structures? Because no, that's not what you want to do, right? You want to wait for a 5-minute candlestick close out of that break of structure. I can't make it any more clear than what I just said. 5-minute candlestick close out of the break of structure. Alright, that's where a lot of this discipline comes in, because you're like, oh, it's breaking out, I want to get an early entry. No, Daniel son. No. That's not how it works. So we want to see that 5-minute candlestick close outside of that break of structure, and then we are going to enter into the trade, right? So let's see if there's demonstration. There's no demonstration on here. I don't like how Top Step doesn't have all the features that TradingView does. It says it's a TradingView chart, but it's not really a TradingView chart at the same time. Okay, but yeah, we entered off this candlestick right here, or like the close of this one. I'd say this was a good OTE, a good optimal point of entry. And lastly, our third step of our model, what is our draws on liquidity? Where do we want market to go? Where do we want price action to go? What is our take profit going to be? So this is where we backtrack in the market a little to see where market is drawing to, and then we see over here that we have a lot of we're tapping at a price point, price level multiple times. This creates for sell stops, sell side liquidity, whatever you want to call it. But this is a nice level that we can see market drawing to. So we mark that out as our take profit, and it hit exactly TP and then retraced. Okay, so usually I want to go for the what we call low hanging fruit in the market. In trading, it's just our nearest draw on liquidity, our nearest take profit. So yeah, that's our trade though. Pretty simple. Big update though. I did just drop the Discord, and it is live. I'm so excited because it's like so much work was put involved into making this. So much I know it's just a Discord, but it's a big step for me. Alright, so chill. But I'm going to be dropping the Discord link in the bio. You can check it out, see how you like it. Any suggestions I should, tweak up with the Discord, just let me know, because I'm definitely sorry, I had a brain fart, but I'm always listening to feedback, suggestions, wherever I can do to make a nice trading community. I want a nice, transparent trading community. That's also why I'm showing you my executions. I'm down on the week, I'm gonna be honest, but we are up on the end of the week today because tomorrow's a bank holiday. But yeah, that's about it though. Check out the Discord. Nothing paid yet. No, nothing paid at all. Discord's not paid or anything like that. My course is not out yet. I'm leaking too much information. But and my one-on-one is closed right now. I already got my 4 people in there. But unless you're really serious about it, DM me. I'll see what we can do. See if you can get do that evaluation and all that. But besides that, that is my trade recap. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. I will answer, no doubt. And yeah, you guys have a safe one, a blessed one. God bless you guys, especially this Easter, Resurrection Day. Love y'all.